Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sriparna Shaha, and on my YouTube channel I have a specific playlist where giving you reviews on different courses that I have completed during this lockdown time due to the COVID-19 pandemic. This opportunity has been given by Coursera and the courses have been sponsored by my university, Maulana Abul Kalam Azad University of Technology. It's a great pleasure to learn different things. Some things are I used to know, but I used after doing the courses could have knew the subject matter in a much deeper way. One type of such course is this machine learning for all course. This particular course is going to give an overall idea. So this course is for everyone, as the name suggests, that is for all. It's not something that we are expecting to get some higher knowledge. But if you're someone who doesn't know anything about machine learning, then this course is a great one. So keeping that in mind that this course is for all, I am going to give you the review. And you can check over here. I have done this, completed this course just few days ago, that is 2nd September 2020. And this course is a 4 weeks of study, and each week you need around 4 to 5 hours to complete this course. So this is the course structure. And before doing the review, I must tell you that I used before doing this course, basically I knew what is machine learning. So the videos that are given here in this particular course, each of the videos I haven't gone in a much more deeper way. I have skipped many parts of the video. Some videos I haven't checked at all. So this particular review I am going to give you on the overall appearance the course has. This course has been provided by the University of London. This is a 4-week course. The duration is 4 weeks. So in the first week there is only one quiz is there, and on the second week there is also a quiz. Third week there is quiz. So there are no programming assignments till date. So not till date, till this particular week, that is up to week 3. So each week you are going to have one quiz. That's all. And on the 4th week there will be one assignment. It's not a programming assignment, as this particular course, as the name suggests, is for all. So all mean it could be for someone who doesn't have any knowledge about coding. It could be for someone, suppose someone from the civil engineering wants to learn machine learning. So this course is about that. So on the 4th week there will be given to you a very basic peer graded assignment. So this basically is going to give you, or it will make you think about certain parameters, some questions that will be asked to you, how you are going to grade your particular algorithm, and to write one particular algorithm, in what type of data you need to collect, and what could be there what could be their errors could be there, what types of errors could be there. Those type of things will be there in this particular assignment. And this assignment is not something that you need to write any code or anything like that. It's about basically very much a theoretical idea what you have gathered till completion of the course of the 4-week duration. And this particular assignment will be a peer graded. So that means your batchmates who are also doing this particular course, they will going to review you, and you need to review three others three other persons assignment to get the grade. So you need to give reviews to three other your peers. This is all about this particular course. This is a 4-week duration course. In my opinion, I am looking for some courses which are going to give you much more deeper idea about machine learning, like the courses that are belongs to the deep learning domain. These 5 courses started from the very scratch, and Professor Andrew Nack always thinks about that the other person doesn't know anything about deep learning, and he used to get you to the deeper mode of the deep learning domain. But this particular machine learning course, that is only going to give you the overall idea about the course doesn't have any detailed view of the mathematical background of the machine learning, or neither there will any detailed description of one particular algorithm of the machine learning domain. There are several algorithms are there, but none of them has been gone in the deeper way. So this is I'm going to give you just an overall idea about machine learning. So if you have no idea of machine learning, then this course is good for you. If you have a little idea about machine learning, then you should not go for this course. You should search for any other course. As I have already knew about machine learning, not I cannot say I have knew everything about machine learning. Sorry, that I don't have, but I have a little knowledge about machine learning before doing this course. So I did not get that much attracted towards the course. So in my opinion, I am going to give this particular course around 3.9 or 4 out of 5 rating. So this is all about this particular machine learning course. So I hope you are going to complete this particular course, and happy studying.